So my summer makeup has been very, very simple. Eyebrows. And my eyebrows, I just follow the line of my brow. I need to have them trimmed. Thank God that everything is opening up now. Because then I could get it trimmed. There's only one person that knows how to do my eyebrows, and I don't think she no longer works there, but you know what? If something quarantine have taught us is to learn how to do everything by yourself. So I'm excited for that. It's looking good. Fenty. Gonna clean it a little bit. And allow that to clean around. Oui, mon cœur.
It's 4:51.
Okay. I'm fast. It's like to color correct under my eye. It's not necessarily the orange is too powering. So this salmon color is like perfect. Do around my mouth. What I do? Just pull another outfit. The shirt that's in the couch, that's fine. And then diapers, wipes.
I thought you said on the couch. She moved it. I don't know where it is.
See how it covers? Without it being overpowering. Color correcting. And I like this because it creates like a nice brightness under my eye. It's really good. See? Color correct. The concealer. I just like this one. And put it over where I color correct. And that's it. To blend. I start from the corner of my eye. Blend it upwards. I think I put too much. Put it over my lid. Nice. This would have been good for Beauty Blender, but I don't have any. So this will do. I like to have that harsh line, so I'm working it all down to create like a nice, clean, smooth canvas. See, I'm just already made. Cover effects. I promise you, I am not a makeup guru. I just know how to do my face. Set my concealer anywhere that I put the concealer. If you're looking for another nice setting powder that is dark skin friendly, Coverfex never failed me. I actually love their foundation. Then anywhere where there's oil. Now that's that. Let's put a face powder. Fenty, baby. I love it. It's convenient. And just put that on my face. Blush. Do you hear them fighting? Blush. Becca. I don't know why they ran out of stuff. Why they went out of business? This is like the best. I had this for like over 2 years because I absolutely love Becca. And then corner my eye. And that's it. This is what gives me the glow, guys. Let's use the middle finger. Honestly, I do most of my makeup with my hands because we all know. It just gives, I feel like it just gives a more smooth finish than brushes. That would just be me. But I like doing using my hands. And that's pretty much it. Oh, very pretty. Bronzer's not like contour. You're supposed to make your face a little warm, just like a little warm into the face. You know what I'm saying? You just can't see it, but I promise you that this is the only eyeshadow that I do. Whether I'm doing a full beat or like a very soft beat. That's it. See, my face is coming together. And voila, this. And then I just go back with the same foundation brush and I just pat everything in. So everything appears smooth. No harsh lines. And voila. The famous Chestnut by MAC. Then NYX, and it's called praline. A really nice, could have a mauve pink. Love that. And that's it. Leave this out. Put this back. Very easy. I love this hairstyle because it's just very practical. Just tuck this in. If you're interested in have more updo style, check out this video. I have a lot of them. And then just let the baby head be. And we're done.